Hi, in this video tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Unreal Engine 4 Blueprint scripting system to develop a game. To begin, you'll have to create an account at unrealengine.com and download the engine, which is free. Once you have the Epic Games launcher installed, you can easily download and install the latest version of the engine. I've already done that and I'm going to launch it now. This may take a while if you've never done it before. From here, we can either choose to open existing projects or create new ones. We can also choose whether the project should be based on Blueprint or C++. Whichever one you choose, it's easy to add C++ or Blueprint features later. Let's choose the first person template because that'll be the easiest one to start for what we're going to do. Name the project Blueprint Tutorial and click Create Project to begin. In the center of the screen is the 3D view, which lets us see the scene as it will appear when we play the game. You can click and drag the right mouse button to move the camera around in the 3D view. You can use WASD to translate the camera around in the scene. Beneath the 3D view is the content browser, where we can see all the assets for our game, including blueprints. Blueprints define how different parts of the game work, including objects in the scene. We currently have two of these defined, called first-person character and first-person projectile. To play our game, we can press the play button above the 3D view. You'll notice that while the projectile makes a sound when firing from the gun, it does not make a sound when colliding with objects in the scene. This is easy to fix in Blueprints, and we'll do that now. If you double-click on the first-person projectile blueprint in the content browser, it will open up the blueprint editor in a new tab. The editor tabs are just like tabs in a web browser, and you can easily switch back and forth between them. Here we can see how the blueprint is laid out. Blueprints are designed as a series of nodes connected by wires, which defines how the data flows between each node. Blueprint nodes have inputs on the left and outputs on the right. The order in which nodes are executed is determined by the white execution wire, which leads from one node to the next. This one starts at the hit event, hits a branch node in an add impulse at location node, and ends at the destroy actor node. This is where we'll want to create our play sound node. You can create a new node by right-clicking in the blueprint editor. Search for Play Sound at Location and we can find the node that we're looking for. This node has two inputs, a sound input and a location input. We can choose the sound we want to play by clicking Select Asset and choosing Explosion 01. We can set the location by dragging from the output of the Get Actor Location node to the input of our Play Sound at Location node. This way we're reusing the output without disrupting any of its previous connections. Press Compile and Save, and let's try out our changes. Even though we added the Play Sound at Location node, it's not actually playing anything. Let's fix this. Return to the blueprint editor and you'll notice that the white execution wire never actually reaches our Play Sound at Location node. To fix this, drag it out from the right side of the Destroy Actor node and connect it to the left side of our Play Sound at Location node. Compile and save again and return to the game. I hope you've enjoyed this video tutorial. This only scratches the surface of what's possible with blueprints. There are more videos available on Unreal's official YouTube channel, and the engine is available for free at www.unrealengine.com.